In this project, I built a radar-style scanning system using Arduino. The system continuously scans the surrounding area, identify any objects within 50 cm, alert with an LED indicator, measure object distance, and visualizes detection in real time on a computer interface. Let's understand how it works. The setup uses an Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor for distance measurement, and a servo motor to rotate the sensor across a scanning range. As the servo moves, the controller continuously captures distance reading, LED indicator to highlight any object presence, and send the data to a PC visualization interface via COM13. The system follows a repeated scanning loop. The sensor rotates across predefined angles, captures distance measurement, and checks whether an object is present. Detection information is then sent to a visualization interface before the scanning cycles continues. The program starts by configuring the servo motors, the ultrasonic sensors, and LEDs. Inside the main loop, the servo gradually sweeps through a range of angles. At each position, the controller measures distance and prepares the data for transmission. The collected information is then sent through serial communication, and using a Python script, it is later visualized on a computer screen. Right now, the system uses a simple scanning pattern, but the same structure can later be extended into exact obstacle type detection and any robotics navigation system. The complete simulation and source code for this project are linked in the description. Thanks for watching this.